I know, it's fucking slick, boy.
I ain't trying to fall.
Yeah. Man, it's crazy that people actually go mudding through here. So, fucking Mo said that there's been a lot of cops being here. Like,
Four-wheelers.
Yeah. So,
The red four-wheeler, we just keep smashing.
yeah, watch out for the cool popo.
Jump the doggy.
Go left right after the thing. Let's not have fun around this bitch. Let's just get through it and go. Go. Yeah, there's a little trail right after that dude. Yeah, take a left. Y'all going through the mud. I'm gonna go right here. Oh shit. Look it. I'm gonna go right here. This is Jurassic Park. The only reason why it's called Jurassic Park is because it looks like Jurassic Park on the other side, you know? Maybe when I make this video, I can put a dinosaur across on it or something. I think I'll try to. Yes, sir. It gets real muddy right now. Oh, no, it's not bad. Good old Jurassic Park. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, a nice little tabletop little jump there. Yeah, you're gonna follow us all the way down and then stay to the right of the creek, and you'll come out on the street. Man, Fuller's coming through here a lot. You can tell.
Oh yeah, tearing it up.
Yeah, you can see the bridge over there. That's where we're gonna come out at. Oh. Oh, yeah, Daddy. You remember coming this way? Yeah. Because you can go over there to the right and then come out on that street, but that's not the direction we need to go. Yeah, that's where we did that adventure shit with that NFL player with the Texans.
Who did?
We did, me, Mo, John, Big Kyle. Who else was it? I think that was it. You weren't with us. The NFL player was on a Grom, a stretched one.
Oh, no shit.
Cool dude. You probably know who he is. He used to play for the Texans back in like 2014. He said he got burnt out. Like, I was like, why don't you play? Man, I just didn't like it anymore. He saved up enough money and he's doing his thing. He invested it and shit. He's got a nice ass Jeep Wrangler and a couple other bikes. I think he's got a BMW RR1000 and then a Grom and then black dude with dreads. So yeah, I think we take a left and then we'll take a right once we get to Tidwell, I think.
What was that over there?
What?
Straight ahead.
Well, go. I don't care.
Which side of the road? We gotta go on this
No,
side?
you're gonna take the road from here on out all the way to the plate.
We can't ride this shit.
I mean, I'm trying to eat and ride the plate. Get that on footage before you have to go home.
Alright, left or right?
Take a left.
Good.
It's already 11. So we'll go eat, take the plate, and then head it back because I know you gotta go.
Good work.
I just put it in my map. We're 20 minutes away from it, 9 miles. Keep going straight.
What are we on right now?
We're on Airline. We're on Airline Westfield Road. You're gonna follow.
Take us right to the blade?
No, we're gonna go all the way down and then take a right. It says we're 20 minutes away, 9 miles. And that's to the beginning of the taco stand and the plate, and we'll take it up towards 610 and then I guess.
I got you. Go down towards downtown.
Yeah, we're gonna start at the end and then come back up so we can get our tacos. Taco, 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 boom, boom. Watch out for that flex. You gonna get flexed. There you go. Shit. I wonder if here, follow me. Follow this all the way down, bruh. I can't even see you, man. Take a left, right here, take a left, left. My bad. It says tollway if we go straight. I ain't trying to take no toll. I don't have a speedo. I don't say sorry, I say I have the shit. I got a shit. I always just say, you know, why is there a reason why you're going so fast? I got a shit, man. I'm so sorry. I got a shit. Like, can you give me my ticket or something? I love you, dude. But I gotta go, please, man. I'm about to shit myself. Be all polite about it, though. We're gonna take a left on TC Jester.
There's a nice jump back there.
I didn't see it. Y'all didn't see it. Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah, brother.
Hey, buddy.
Hey-o. I don't know why you didn't cut to that field. There's a Raptor. I love Raptors.
That's a V6 Raptor, though. Turbo.
You know, all that.
Why don't you get one?
I'm not paying that kind of stupid money. There's a cop.
Hey, look at this Nissan, though. That little SUV right there looks pretty sharp.
Yeah.
For a little bit SUV. I'm just gonna hang loose. I'm gonna hang loose.
There's a cop right up
I don't know, is it a wreck? Is he in that lane or what?
there. Yeah, he's blocking that lane.
Shit. What is that, Texas? Yeah, that's here. They do like random ram checks, like, you know, registration and shit. But they only
Not here.
yeah, they do. They do it underneath feeders. That's why I don't ever do bus bitches U-turns.
Yeah.
Like when I lived over there in Belford, because I was going to college over there, and fucking all the time, man, all the fucking time. What's going on here? Viper speeding.
Oh, buddy. What's that? What's that over there?
What? What? Taco stand and 1 mile.
Up there on the right?
Yep. I'm so hungry.
Up there.
Oh man, they better be open. Hey, we getting tacos today. Come on. Oh buddy. Let's get some tacos.
Taco. You gonna park in front of that guy?
No, he works here.
Okay.
That's why I park right here.
So, this is where we come. We come here for our tacos. And I'm telling you right now, these tacos are dope. We're at TC Gesture in Tidwell in Houston, Texas. Bro, check these tacos out. I know it's kind of ghetto area, but these are like the best tacos. If you like pastor, stuff like that, I'm telling you. Oh my God, about to grub out. I bought a whole crap load bag. I'm gonna take them home, but look at that. This guy didn't get the pastor, he got something different. Oh, and then he got the pastor, baby. More pastor. Oh my God, I can't wait to eat. Let's get it. Woo. Well, yeah, I'm recording. So we just got our tacos. They were dope as fuck. I'm about to hit the pipeline. Or actually it's called the plate. We called it the plate because he lost his plate a while back.
Yeah, I did, didn't I?
You did?
That was like plate number 3.
Hey, I didn't turn mine off. Why isn't I?
I turned mine off.
Oh, well, there you go. Now you're on. All right, so let's get this. So this is a plate. We always come here, and normally we come that way and get lunch, but we're getting lunch and going that way. So we got everything rolling. Let's go ahead and turn on my Insta360. Yeah, got a full stomach. Go ahead and put record.
Right about 5.
I am so ready. The only thing I hate about the Insta is you gotta make sure it is recording, which it is now. So now, turn it back on. Turn off my damn yes. There you go. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and go down and then get a video of y'all. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm going straight down that bad boy. Oh, I feel great. These tacos hit the spot. Oh, my fucking boots wet. Water's higher than normal. Hell yeah. Oh, my right foot's soaking wet. I should get Bryce to get off that. Okay. We should just go straight off of that. Go down and then go whoop. Let's get it. Oh, look at them dead fish down there too. Hey, we gotta cross. We have to go. Yeah. Oh well. Let's tell him to go on the other side. Go on that side. Alright, I'll do it. I'm gonna go check out these fish. Where's he going? Look at dead fish, man. Oh, it's slippery. Shit, I wanna go. Oh shoot, slippery soon. Man, look at that water clear though. That's pretty. Oh, my foot went down. Oh, soaking wet. Ah! Where's Bryce going? We need to come down though. We need to go down. There's a catfish. Damn. Yeah, just take a left. Hey, here we go. Ooh. Oh, it's wet. Ooh. Ooh. All right, let's go down this and then go. Alright, y'all get in front of me. Yeah, that water's so clear though. Alright. Y'all go ahead. Yeah, you remember when we came? Little fishy. Oh, look at the poor fishy. Let me see if I can help him. Go, dude. Oh, come on, guy. Oh, go. Go. Go, 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 go. Go. Oh, there you go. Hey, I saved his life. Oh, it's so slippery. Oh, the poor fish everywhere are dying. Alright, y'all pull down a little bit. Oh yeah, this is pretty slippery. I heard. Not good. Yeah, at least you know this is risk, not. that's it. I'm gonna get y'all going in at first. Go ahead. Yeah, he's smart. I ain't moving. Go ahead. Yeah, just hit the concrete to the left. You'll be alright. There you go. Oh yeah, I did too. I felt that. Alright, so this is the tunnel I've been. Oh my god, I'm telling y'all about. Rip. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't check it. Sounds good. Oh yeah. Glad there ain't no one behind me. See it blow. Our down there, yeah. See it blow. Nice. We gonna smoke or we gonna keep going? Okay. We're gonna take a little pit. Stop. Smoke break. Yeah, this is nice. Such a nice day. Any bass in there? No bass today? Last time I came out here, there was a couple bass running through here. I don't see none right now. Nope.
You can make it?
No. Yeah, all right. Sure. Good to foiler. Yeah. Hey, we're gonna smoke, bruh. We chilling.